Thank you so much.
No problem. Once you're done, I'll grab your statement, and then once the situation's contained, you can just grab your stuff and run, okay?
Boo. I need some taste testers.
I'm in.
All right.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Thank you. All right. Let me know which one you prefer. I'm probably only gonna make one.
What's your baby's name?
Eden, but she's not my baby.
No?
No, I'm just a friend.
Nah, I see how she is with you. There's something more than that.
Calibrating the thermal spectrum line. Set.
Stabilizing. Set.
Initiate the test.
This might be an excellent time to talk to Dr. Cooper.
Oh, no, it's okay. Here. Is everyone okay? I gotta check on Cal.
It's over. It's okay.
I was sitting right there. I could have been crushed.
Cal's okay, thank God.
It was an earthquake.
In New York?
Apparently no one saw it coming.
Eden did. She was crying. Insisted that I come to her to protect me.
She's your guardian angel.
Is that true? Are you my angel?
Okay, listen up, everybody. Bomb squad just confirmed the call was a hoax. If you're giving your statement, employees can go back inside and grab your things. The store's closed until damage from the earthquake can be cleaned up. Thank you.